In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Goodwall app to the latest version. If you want to get the latest features that comes with Goodwall, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, for you to be able to update Goodwall app, you need to go ahead and find this app through either Google Play Store or App Store. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your app as well as get the latest features. So I'll go to my Google Play Store here, and then using the search icon here, I'll search for the Goodwall app, and here we go. Here is the app. As you can see, I have an update available, which means I've been using an outdated version of Goodwall app. To update this LAN and an app, go ahead and tap on update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Goodwall app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Goodwall app. So that's how you can update your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.